Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and y'all, we got a new box. This ice cream box. Y'all, I've been watching my friends unbox this box for a while, and I finally decided I just had to get it for myself. So, oh my goodness, a new box. Yeah, like I needed one other makeup box. Yeah, so let me tell you a little bit about it. So they have two different kind of subscriptions, a monthly bag, which is about $12.50, or a monthly box, which is about $25. The difference is with the box, you're going to get 5 to 7 beauty or skincare items every month. Every month you will get a palette. All items will be full-sized, international shipping available. With the bag, you would get 3 to 5 items, mainly makeup, but also skincare related items. So your box is going to be more for your makeup gals. I ordered the box. So this is the box, the $25 box. I did have a code, so I got it for $19.99. I will see if I can get a code as well for y'all. Here we go. Oh, that's what it looks like. It's got lots of little thingies. So this is the May box. It is June, but I did subscribe late in the month. April showers bring main flowers, and then it's got my products listed. Let's look at them. I'm going to tell you right now, I see more than 5 to 7 items. So now, 5 little thingies here. Okay, now we always have to save the palette for last, right? Y'all, I can't get used to having my camera right here because I want to look at myself, which is over there, instead of looking right here where I need to. It's very different having it closer up and horizontal. These are IBY Beauty. They're Lush eyeshadow. Are they all Lush eyeshadows? Lush eyeshadow. Yep. Okay, so there's 5 Lush eyeshadow mini or individuals in here. They're not mini. These are full-size products. So these are IBY Beauty Eyeshadow Bundle, which is a $25 value. This one says Poolside. And it says no running. IBY Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. Look at the little bit of cuteness of it. Oh my goodness. No running. It's purple. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yay, 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 yay. Love it. I love purples. Oh, look at that color. That is super cute. Poolside, no running. This one is Ocean Awakening Vitamin C. Guess I could show you the box. They're all so cutely designed. Nice yellow color. Wow, all right, here we go. Look at that. Yes, I'm horrible at swatching. I don't know. Is it gonna be patchy? I'll have to play with that one a little more. Give you an update on that one. This one is Ocean Awakening as well, and it's marine. Ooh, yeah, Look at that. Oh, that's lovely. These are gonna be fun. Fun in the sun. Superbloom in Painted Lady. Look at that. Right, I don't love the way that one felt and the yellow one as much as the other two. They don't feel as buttery, but it's still nice, still good to play with. And this one is Enlightened and the color is Balance. Ooh, looky, looky, oh my goodness. Here we go. Yeah, yes. That might be my favorite. Ooh, I don't know, but I do like the purple a lot. So cute colors. I mean, they gave you a nice little range of these colors here, and they're very cute little guys. I just got to figure out where I'm going to keep them all. So this is the Ruby May Magnetics. So these are magnetic lashes. $13 value. 3D lashes. I haven't been wearing the lashes as much lately, but I want to. It's just a lot of upkeep, y'all. It's a lot of putting them on, you know. I think they're pretty. They may be a little much for me. Ooh, oh my goodness. How many there's several magnets on there. You can see it is not one of those. It just has like 3. They have several magnets across it. Very cute. This is Lash Dash Magnetic Liner. Let's go. Beautiful. Loha, Ruby May Cosmetics. So you get the liner to go with the lashes, which is awesome. Right, there you go. I don't know what to say about it, y'all, because I'm not good at that kind of stuff. The liquid liners, I know it's for the magnetic liners, but I tend to make a mess with them. I've just got to get better, is all it is. This is the Doucce Lip Defining Pencil, $22. By the way, did I tell you the lashes were 13 and the liner was 13? That's very light looking. Very light. I have one of these somewhere. Yeah. Actually, I may have used it a little today. That's the one I had, which is $4.90. This one is $4.91. Yeah, that's odd. That's okay. I think it's gonna be too light for me, but we're gonna open it up anyway. Teeny tiny little tip. Yeah, it's probably gonna be way too light for me to line my lips with and make any definition. But I mean, I like them. I just may not be able to use this color. $22. Basic Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this isn't the color I have already. This is Ombre. $16 value. Actually, I may have it. Hang on. So the one I have is actually literally. It's literally. So that's literally. So we're gonna see what ombre looks like. But you see why I thought that they were the same? So this is ombre. They look completely different. But yeah. In the containers, they don't look as different as they do when you put them on. Very interesting. One is actually more of a gloss and the other is more of a matte feeling. Literally is a gloss, and of course, ombre is a matte. It says it on the paperwork. I just didn't read it. Interesting. And so that gets us to the last thing, which is the palette that you'll have in every one. And this is Base Blue Blush and Shadow Palette. It's a $42 value. Now, considering I would have paid $25 if I'd have paid full price, it's more than paid for it. It's one of those magnetic closure ones. Oh, look at that. Look at how cute that is. I remember seeing everybody get this now. I remember it now. It took me a minute. So this is a flower eyeshadow and blush palette, but look how pretty that is. Let's swatch some. Ooh, it feels nice. Oh, look at those. Oh, look at, oh yes. I'm very excited about this, y'all. I was kind of, you know, I saw a few people open it and I thought, oh, I want that palette, and now I have it. Now I have it. Yay. Look at those. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Yes, yes. For nothing else, I would have been happy with just this one thing. What did y'all think of Eyescream Beauty? Like I said, I will let you know everything I can about them. I will put information down below that I can find. If I have a link, I will show you that, all that good stuff down below. But don't forget to comment. Tell me what you think about Eyescream Beauty. Is it something you'd want to see again? All that good stuff. Don't forget to press all those YouTube buttons down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free. And if you do want to try Eyescream Beauty, there will be a link below. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. Share with your friends and press the notification bell. And yes, I did just repeat myself. Y'all, thanks for spending time with me. Have a wonderful day and God bless.